I'm Revelyn Trias Shasoyko. I'm the school principal of Mano Amiga Academy. Well, Mano Amiga gives quality education to the underprivileged. And it's not only a school, but it's a development center.
Hi, my name is Mano Amiga. I am 8 years old. I live at FTI Penarta City. My parents are Jenny Scopilio and Anthony Balwit. My mom is a housewife while my dad is an operator of a crane. During my free time, I love to read English books like Luba and the Wren.
Mano Amiga gives complete services to the children as well as to the families.
Ako po si Melody Kawili. Nagkaroon ako ng trabaho dito sa bistro dahil sa Mano Amiga. Dati isa akong labandera. Nung nakapasok po ako dito sa bistro, isa akong dishwasher. Ngayon, hindi lang dishwasher, marunong na ako magluto, marunong na ako mag-manage ng cafeteria. Binigyan ako ng magandang pagkakataon na mas matututo pa.
Biggest challenge here in Mano Amiga right now, we have very limited space. And we need more classrooms because we cannot accept, more students. As much as I would like them to be enrolled in this school, our hands are tied. So right now we really need a bigger school so that we could have more children.
When I grow up, I want to be a teacher because I want to educate the children of the Philippines. I am Bumi Jessica. When I grow up, I want to be a nun because I want to serve God. Hi, my name is Kimberly Sibalyarta. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor so that I can help the people who are sick.
My dream for Mano Amiga, well, number one is, for our children to really finish, their education because we know that these children will make a difference in their community.